Do you want to see how I created these two gorgeous bling resin sculpture vases? I'll just spin them around for you. Not done with ink, as in the usual way. I will bring you in for a closer look. That one. And that one. So stick around and I will show you exactly how I produced these two. I wanted to do a spin on the resin sculptural bowls. So instead of using inks, the principle is going to be the same. Let me put these aside. But I'm going to use a lot of bling. So I came across this company called Totally Dazzled, and I ordered what I thought was going to be like a small, you know, a roll of bling. Well, it's a huge roll of bling, and I ordered two. So I have two silver ones and two gold ones. And they come so beautifully wrapped, and they're really like flexible. They bend every way. I have lots of, we'll put that aside, projects going on using those, seeing as I've got so much. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using inks, I'm going to use the bedazzles to make to be the outside of my bowls. So first of all, just check you're in the frame. Yes, you are. I have cut out approximate length, and because I don't want them to like drift away apart in the resin, I'm going to overlap like one rhinestone piece each and center that. And the same with this one. And I have my resin mixed, and I've also decided, so I'm going to use these around the perimeter of this with some tinted broken glass, which is slightly amethyst. And then on this one, I'm going to use those fake diamonds. This is tinted very slightly green, I suppose. First of all, I'm going to put my resin in. I'm also going to make sure I have some lollipop sticks on hand so I can poke everything down. Just going to pour up and down and let it spread. And the weight of the resin is going to hold down the plastic. It's been about 6.5 hours actually, and they are ready. So I'm going to put this one over here. And I'm going to torch it to my just to get it to relax a little bit. This one I'm going to put over here. Oops. And then I think what I'm going to have to do is get some tape and tie this around there. So let me get my masking tape. So I'm going to do these again. Next time I'm going to do, I looked at them a couple of hours ago and they were just too sticky, so I think I'm going to do 5.5 hours next time. But I mean, this will still work. It's just a little more effort. Okay, I'm going to push that down a bit. So you can see it's still sticky. It's just, now this is going to work just fine. And this one. All right. So that's those. Tomorrow morning I will take out the plastic and let's see what we've got. Hi everyone. They are dry. Did come out better than I thought it was going to come out. So this was the kind of small rectangular one. Put the tray away. And what I decided to do with this was put it on a base. And you can see how this really did come out like absolutely beautiful. And the reason I put it on a base, oh, and the other thing was, I hope you can see that. Let's just check. Move this out of the way. I filled up, you get a pointy stick, the base with crystals too. And I wanted to put it on a stable base because I want to use it for like standing brushes in, makeup brushes, not paint brushes, on a dressing table. So that's that one. Now this one I haven't taken off yet. Oh, I wanted to do that in front of you. And you'll see plastic. So I love this plastic. And I'm going to say this again, I hate Glad wrap. Last night I was trying to wrap up some leftovers. I couldn't even wrap up leftovers with Glad wrap, let alone create a sculpture from it. So this comes out, needs some tweaking, but comes out very easily. This one was a little tougher because what happened was, if you see these folds, it got like folded in and trapped. But again, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look how the bling came out. And if you remember, this bling started out like that, but it looks like, oh, I don't know. It's just, and it's the very pale amethyst stones look stunning. So that's that one. And here's that one, 2 different results. The other thing that I have done, which I didn't do on camera, but I will show you the results in my next video, is I got a vase and I have covered this in the bling, cut it to shape, and I deliberately left a gap because if you remember in my autumnal vase, I wanted the option of having it as a vase to put flowers in, or just putting those little tiny firefly lights in as a table centerpiece. So there's that. What I'm going to do, I got all these bling things from the same company. And I think some of them are brooches, but you can take off the brooch bit. Excuse me for stretching over you. So what I was thinking, first thing I did was I did hold this together with some resin. I just put some duct tape to keep it together and then just resined that seam. And then I thought what would be nice, it would be to put something like that on. Or this one. I wish I had matching ones. I might put the pearl one on. So I'm going to put this on my cup turner and put resin on it, spin it for several hours, and then I will show you the results. So this was this video though, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed these, and if you do the same, please share them with me, mention my channel, and all the details of what I used are in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I finished it and I just wanted to show you how pretty it is. It really is beautiful. Let me lie it down. You can see it better, and the resin is perfect. So that will also go on my Etsy store. And now this is, see you in my next video. Bye.